Good morning, students. Again, we will start this chapter, Internet and Introduction, further. Here in this chapter, I am going to explain you. In the last chapter, I have explained you about this chapter, what we will learn. Now, in this chapter, I will explain you about the Internet. Now children, see here, I will tell you that what is Internet. Okay, Internet means I-N-T-E-R, inter, and N-E-T, net. Okay, so this Internet means interconnected networks. Okay, interconnected network. Interconnected and net means networks. नेटवर्क्स के बारे में आपको मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में समझाया था that network means what? Web, like it's just like a spider's web and interconnected. So when all the computers are interconnected to this network, it is called Internet. Now let's move on to its uses. Where we can use it. We can use Internet to a very wide space, children. We can use everywhere in all the fields Internet. Okay, children. Now you can see in your book also, children, that if you will move on to Internet, here you can see Google. Okay, so Google is what? Here it is used to search for information. Whatever information, okay, if we want to know about in whether it will be of any field, it will be of from Bollywood or politics or science and research or history, any topic, you can search it from here. It gives you millions and millions of topics. It is just like a huge library. Children, as you go to the library, you get several books on several topics. Here or in the Google, on the Internet, you can get information about millions and millions of topics. Okay, children, now move on to next. You can send emails. Previously, what happened? We write letters to our relatives. Okay, then they receive that letter after 1 month or 20 days, 15 days. Okay, but with the facility of this email internet service, as you click on the send button, the email will be received through the recipient on the other side within seconds. मतलब कि सेकेंड्स में जैसे ही आप यहाँ से भेजते हैं, बटन क्लिक करते हैं, वैसे ही आप जिसको ईमेल भेज रहे हैं, ईमेल इज जस्ट लाइक अ लेटर, वो उसके पास विद इन सेकेंड्स में पहुंच जाता है. नाउ मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. योर पेरेंट्स, योर मदर and father goes to market for the shopping, but with the help of internet facility, your mother can do the online shopping sitting in one chair, and she could get the items. She could get these dresses also within some days. Okay, and sitting at home without moving outside in the pollution, without just giving her time. If she is not having any time, she could have do the shopping also sitting at home with the help of internet. Now move to the next topic. We can watch the videos and news also on the internet. Okay, see, this boy is watching cricket on the internet. So on the internet there are also live videos and there are also recorded videos on whichever topic you want to see. Now moving to the next topic, you can also book tickets sitting at your place. You don't have to just stand in a long queue for the tickets, to book tickets for any railway, for flight or for movies and so on. You can just book tickets by sitting it on a chair. Okay. Now you can pay your bills also. To pay the electricity bill, you must ask your father how long they have to stand in the queue, or whether it is whatever the condition is. So it will take a long time to just stand in the queue and pay the bill of the telephone or the electricity, whatever it is. But now with the help of internet, you can pay the bill sitting at your home in one place also, and within one click, and it will not take time also. Now next topic, for online education, like we are also educating you online, so you can get information, you are taught online. तो ये तो आप बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ सकते होंगे कि ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन कैसे होता है. लाइक वी आर इन दिस पैंडेमिक कंडीशन ऑफ कोरोना, वी आर स्टडिंग online. So here this Manav and Sia use the internet to read the books on the computer, and many people use the internet to study online on various topics. So the children and also the adult people study on the internet. Now we can do the voice and video chatting also through the use of internet. Like you are sitting in Jamshedpur or Tata, okay, and you want to chat with a person, with your relative sitting in USA or England or Europe, any places outside India also, you can just chat with them, okay, with video chatting. वीडियो चैटिंग आप समझ रहे हैं ना, आप उनको देख सकते हैं. Okay, then you can chat with them lively. Okay, you can see that person and you can talk on your computer. Okay children, for now this much. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can ask in the comment box also, or you can ask me in the class also. Thank you children, have a nice day.